Yesterday was really an eye-opener when we were busy with the workshop and all the things that we spoke about and we discussed. I knew about it, I've been preaching it, but I feel so bad because I didn't practice any of those.
The first thing that you have to understand, if you want to know something, you have to accept that you do not know. Because if you approach anything from the world where you know nothing, you are bound to learn more. So facing the issue of climate change, you have to accept that firstly we don't understand what we don't understand. And trying to understand as a group will help us to be able to conquer this giant problem that the world is facing. So number one is leadership. We have to accept that the things that we have been doing are not going to work in the present world, and we have to change our ways. We have to be able to inspire and shape the future environment for our kids and the future to live on.
One thing that I've become aware of in these sessions is the fact that the world we live in is so dynamic, and everything that we do and all of the new technology, it changes so fast, and also the impact that we have on the environment. So I think what's very important is that we should keep re-evaluating where we are, where we've come from and where we need to go, so that we can understand that as the technology changes and our impact on the environment changes, we also have to adapt and we also have to change the way that we do things.
What do we lack in leadership these days? Well, according to me, definitely ethical and leadership. That's people with integrity that are not afraid to make courageous and very important decisions.